I'll give the floor now to Marie-Flore so that she can give her a testimony on tree growing. Before that, before giving the floor to the users, I'd like to invite Kioti to come back with their robots. Do we have any tree grower or somebody in viticulture? I'm going to try to guess. Do I know anyone? Is there any? Are there any people there working in arboriculture or viticulture? Come on. You are new to this, but anyway. You were not here this morning, so you don't know the two Kioti robots. So we say a few words, and then we are going to let you steer the robot, and you'll tell us whether it's easy or not. There is a way, a special way, but you could brief him. And so I let you present the technology to our tree grower, and then you can guide him when steering the robot.
Vous êtes de région ici? Comment? Vous êtes de cette région ou...
Are you from this region? Are you from here? Montauban, okay. I come from the Netherlands. It's a very flat country. We presented this machine this morning in the fields. Were you not here then? So, once again, a brief explanation on the machine, which was developed in South Korea. It weighs 390 kilos when it's empty. It can carry 300 kilograms. There's several ways to steer, to drive this machine, either with a GPS. You design a map, you guide it in a field. And there's another way is thanks to this cable here. If you pull it, the machine goes forward or backward. And there's a remote control as well. And you can drive it forward or backward. The platform can move in height. You can lift it by 50 centimeters. If you have heavy boxes, you can have them sliding on the truck. Then you can have material in bulk or that you can carry. So that was developed in South Korea. There's about 50 machines that are already operating in that machine. In France, thanks to our network, we have 200 sellers in France, and part of that network can sell this machine. So to drive it is very easy. I'll let you do the demo. Can you do the demo for him?
Let it rotate. We're going to make a donut now. C'est comme un petit skid steer. Vous connaissez skid steer, bobcat, par exemple, voilà. C'est exactement la même chose, ok?
So either it can rotate on itself, or it can move forward or backward. Now let's do it with a cable. Okay, would you want to try it yourself? That's it. And when it goes green, it goes forward, backward, and then it follows you when it's green. Now, if you want to change, it goes beep, beep, it goes red, and it changes. That is for soil safety. Now it's red, and you can make it go as you want. Backwards. and it's easy to use. So with this, we can deliver products such as vegetables, apples, but also coffee and beer. This is a carrier which carries products. What is your opinion? What do you think of it? It's easy. It's easy to steer. I'm not accustomed to it. Yeah, you need a little bit of training when you are delivered this machine. White is neutral, green is forward, and red is backwards. If there is an accident, for example, you stop and you change. There's always an emergency stop around here. 300 kilos load. It has a big brother, which is being manufactured now, and it will be able to carry 600 kilos, and it will be a crawler machine. Do you have any question in the room? Any specific question about this? No? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. That was great.